Hi, in this video I am going to show you that how we can encrypt or decrypt our files so that the other one couldn't able to access our secure data. So first of all, I would like to go through the terms that I am going to use here. Encrypt means plain text to ciphertext. If you are converting a plain text into a ciphertext, that process is called as encryption. And we are going to encrypt that data actually. Decrypt means ciphertext to plain text, and we are converting actually that encrypted data into a plain text. Plain text means readable in readable form, that is considered as decryption. And cipher means encrypted, unreadable, means we are means there is an algorithm which is converting a plain text into such a pattern that nobody could able to read it. So that is called as ciphertext. So let me show you that how we can use the CMD and decrypt or encrypt the data. So let me show you that how we can encrypt the data. So I have a folder here, important, and I have put few files over here in which I have some data. So I want to encrypt these files. So how it would be possible? I am just going to CMD. Then firstly I have to change the color. So here I am going to desktop. Actually you have to go to the specific folder. So CD desktop, and on the desktop I have a folder of important, and this in this folder I want to encrypt the files. So how it would be possible? I have to write CIPHER cipher / capital E or maybe small e, that would work, and then press enter. So once you will enter, then you will find out that encrypting files in this specific path, these are the two files, and two files for directories within one directories were encrypted. So now those files are encrypted now. So if you want to see here, you will find out that both these files has changed the color. The color is now green. So this means that your files are encrypted now. These are safe and secure. For example, your PC is going to be accessed by any other person from any other computer. Then at that time he would, if he has not the password, then he would not able to read this specific data inside of these files. Why? Because you have encrypted this. So this would be shown to him in encrypted form. So he would not able to read the text. So he need to decrypt these files by using the password, which definitely you would have and he would not have. So for say example, I want to decrypt this data. So how it would be possible? So same command would be there. You have to write here D for decryption. So now both these files has been decrypted. So if you will see right now, the text is in a black color. It means this is decrypted form, and before that it was encrypted form. So we learned about that how we can encrypt and decrypt the files which actually we want to make them secure from the other people, that they couldn't able to read or write inside of that. So we learned about process of encryption and decryption and cipher. So which command we have used is, we have used cipher / E for encryption and cipher / D for decryption. So both these commands helped us to encrypt and decrypt our files. So that's it. In the next video we would be learning about another cool concept. So before ending this video, I request you to support my channel by subscribing it if not subscribed yet. Just subscribe it on clicking at subscribe button right bottom of your screen. Like this video, share this video to your friends. For any query, please feel free to ask below in the comment. I appreciate your feedback if you have any. Have a nice day ahead.